The Ukrainian Air Force shot down at least 4 Russian attack helicopters in southern Ukraine in 18 minutes. The Ukrainian Air Force's press service said this in a Telegram post, Ukrinform reports. From 8:40 to 8:58 on October 12, anti-aircraft missile units of the Air Force destroyed at least 4 enemy attack helicopters, probably Ka-52s, which were providing fire support to the ground occupation forces on the southern axis, in the south of Ukraine, the report said. According to preliminary data, 1 helicopter crashed on the territory freed from Russian invaders, while the 3 others fell behind the front line. The Air Force added that Ukrainian forces also opened fire on 2 more helicopters, so there is a high probability that the number of confirmed downed helicopters will grow. More than 90,000 troops make up Russia's irrecoverable military losses in Ukraine, as reported by the Russian media project iStories, or Vazhneye Story. One of the 2 sources of this information works in the FSB, the other is a former state security officer. Irrecoverable losses is a category that includes servicemen who were killed, went missing, died from their wounds or were disabled and cannot return to military service. This new estimate is close to the figures stated earlier by the Pentagon and the British Defense Ministry. Last August, the Pentagon estimated that 70 to 80,000 Russian troops had been killed or critically wounded since the start of the war. In September, the British Defense Secretary Ben Wallace stated that the Russian army's total losses exceeded 80,000. Of those, about 25,000 were thought to have been killed. Since the start of the invasion, the Russian Defense Ministry accounted for casualties only 3 times. The last time this happened was September 21, when the Defense Minister Sergei Shoigu said that 5,937 Russian soldiers had been killed in the war. Media Zona and BBC News Russian have published a joint report of Russia's war casualties, based on official documentation available through open sources. 7,184 documented deaths were the minimal toll as of October 7, based on open source information. The Ukrainian military's general staff states that, as of the morning of October 12, 63,000 Russian soldiers have been killed in Ukraine. Increasingly desperate for manpower in recent months, Russian authorities have started tapping a resource the country has plenty of: prisoners. If you think that sounds like it would have obvious drawbacks, you're right.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.